YAML is YAML Ain't Markup Language. It is used for configuration files because it is easy for humans to read. It relies on indentation, so be careful with spaces. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's parse it. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your YML, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. A YML file uses YAML Ain't Markup Language, a human-readable data format commonly used for configuration files and data exchange. Users, typically developers or system administrators, create and edit YML files to define settings for applications, orchestrate deployment pipelines like in Docker or Kubernetes, or structure data. YML is a text-based format that uses indentation, spaces, not tabs, to denote structure, making it clean and easy to read. It supports key-value pairs, lists, and scalars. This design prioritizes human readability over the verbosity of formats like XML or the strict bracketing required by JSON, simplifying configuration management. For full accurate reading of YML data, rely on Microsoft Visual Studio Code by Microsoft Corporation. Windows generally only reads the header information, not the full content. Windows can sometimes show configuration files as text, but editing them requires caution. Your first step towards recovery. Right-click the YML file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio Code is an option, select it first. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. Compatibility is key. If you are still having trouble opening the YML file, do not worry. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, opening in text editor. Open the YML file in Visual Studio Code Notepad+, or Sublime Text, which provide YAML syntax highlighting and indentation guides. VS Code, with the YAML extension, offers schema validation, auto-completion, and error detection. Pay close attention to indentation, as YAML is whitespace sensitive and inconsistent indentation breaks parsing. Next, validating YAML syntax. Use YAMLint, a command-line YAML validator, or online tools like YAMLchecker.com to verify syntax correctness. Run YAMLint filename.yml to identify indentation errors, duplicate keys, and structural problems. Many IDEs include YAML validators that highlight syntax errors in real time as you edit the file. Finally, parsing programmatically. Load YML files in Python using PyYML library with YAML.safe-load, or in Node.js with JS-YAML package. These libraries parse YAML into native data structures, enabling configuration, loading, and data processing in applications. Always use safe-load to prevent execution of arbitrary Python objects from untrusted YAML sources. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.